Welcome to one of the most commonly asked questions of the week. What can I do? I am having some difficulty with paying my mortgage this month. I am 30 days late. What to do? Well, please know that there are options, and I'm going to briefly explain them to you. You must first call your mortgage company and talk with a reputable person that handles what's called loan modifications, deferments, and forbearances. Now, understanding what is a mortgage deferment, a loan modification, and a forbearance. Deferring your mortgage payments is not the same as entering into a forbearance plan. Though the two options are used interchangeably, here's the difference. What is mortgage deferment? If your mortgage is in forbearance, deferment describes how you'll repay the payments you missed during that period, during those months you were late. With the deferment, you'll pay all of the missed amount likely in a single lump sum, either when your mortgage term ends, meaning at the end of the loan, or when you sell your home or you refinance to another mortgage. Please remember that. When you put your mortgage into forbearance, you temporarily stop making payments or make lower payments if you can afford to, while you sort out whatever hardship that you have going on or that has prevented you from paying. Think like maybe your job loss or something. Typically, borrowers put their loan into forbearance for at least 6 months to a year, but the time frame can be longer or shorter. It depends. A mortgage deferment is just one way to repay the amount you skipped while in forbearance. You might not automatically qualify for this option. I'll give you more on that a little later. One alternative is to repay the missed amount in installments with your regular monthly payment, meaning you'll have a little that goes on to your regular monthly payment from what you missed. Once the forbearance expires and you resume your usual payments, if you can't repay the deferred amount in full when it comes due or otherwise can't afford your monthly payment, contact your mortgage lender as soon as possible, or the servicer, to discuss more permanent solutions, such as what's called a loan modification, which is different. Mortgage forbearance versus a deferment. Your forbearance is one of the most common means of relief for homeowners facing a short-term obstacle to paying their mortgage. It's generally the best course of action when you know your hardship is only temporarily, meaning your job. When the forbearance period ends, there are a few ways borrowers can repay the missed amount, including deferment. You'll need to consult with your lender or servicer to arrange for forbearance. Please don't lose your house because you did not call, and see if you qualify for a deferment. Don't be ashamed. Don't stop making payments without establishing a relief and a repayment plan in writing, because you will lose your house. With your servicer, please make sure you call. If you stop making payments without an agreed plan, your lender could initiate the foreclosure process, and that means losing your house. Does deferment or forbearance hurt your credit? Most cases, forbearance won't count as a strike on your credit report. Your lender or servicer will simply report the loan as current. Your repayment plan, on the other hand, deferment or otherwise, shouldn't impact your credit, either, provided you repay that on time. Remember, you have to repay it on time. Before agreeing to forbearance or any other form of relief, confirm with your servicer how the arrangement might affect your credit score, and make sure you understand what you're responsible for paying and when. Because don't say, well, they didn't tell me that. Please make sure you understand what's going on and ask questions. In addition, be honest with yourself. will you realistically be able to make those payments on time? If it's unlikely, consider selling your home and moving to a more affordable house. How to qualify for a mortgage deferment. If you're interested in deferring payments after your forbearance ends, consult with your servicer early on. It's just that simple. Depending on your situation, you might not automatically qualify for this type of repayment. Once again, structure, or you might be limited in how many payments you can defer. Now, I know I talked fast. You can go back and listen to the video again. So if this video was helpful, please like and share with others. Also, don't forget to follow me at Tanya Finds Dreams Homes. If you would like to chat with me, feel free to contact me at 504-345-8282. I'm only just giving some information because I don't want to see anyone lose their home.